Hi, this video I'm just going to unbox the Anko Bluetooth body analysis scale. This one is purchased from Kmart, so we're just going to have a quick review as well. Now there is also an app that you can install onto your mobile phone so that it can sync via Bluetooth to your device, so you can track of your weight when you are scaling on the device. Now this scale here uses two AAA battery, so this one here is a rechargeable battery. You can just get them recharged. So I'm just going to open up. It come with a grab, so you can just open up the grab right here. And just going to open it. So it's this way here. So this one can weigh up to 180 kilograms. Has a measurement for body fat, body hydration, muscle mass, bone mass. So you can use your feet to turn it on and off by tapping on the scale. So here it is. This is the scale here. So the scale comes inside of a plastic bag. And there it is. So it's automatically on when you step on it. It can be slippery if you're going to place this one in the bathroom. So we're just going to turn it over and look at the battery. Now the battery has a screw in it, so we need to remove the screw before we can actually insert the battery. The battery does not come with this scale, so you need to purchase them separately. Okay, remove the screw. So let's just going to try to open it, and we're just going to put in the battery. Again, it's two AAA battery, so it's going to turn over. Got a user and manual underneath. So this is what it looks like. It has a backlight. I generally don't really like a scale with backlight. It uses more battery. That means your battery going to run out quicker. So in here it tells you like where you can get the app. So hopefully it has some information about the apps. So some instruction in here, as you can see. So yep, there is an app instruction. So if you haven't got access to this, you can look at the QR code. So use the camera and scan this QR code, and you'll be able to download the app onto your mobile phone. And let's see what the apps look like. So here it's turning on. So you can use your feet and step on it to turn it on. Now each of this corner here is what allow the scale to work. So just be careful not to damage one of the corner on the spring here. So the spring allows the scale to balance out, and it will give you a proper weight reading. Also at the back here there is a unit reading, so you can press on it to change the unit of the scale. So turn it around and press on this button here to change the scale unit. Now on iPhone or on your Android phone, just open up the camera, and at the front of the instruction there is a QR code. I'm just going to scan it, and then at the top here you can just tap on the link to open up the app. And here we're just going to tap on get button. It will download the app to your phone, and I'm just going to double click to install. Okay, on the phone here I'm just going to open it after it has finished the download. So I'm just going to tap on open. Just going to tap on the allow and agreed button here. So you have to scroll down all the way down for the agree button to go green, and then you can agreed. And make sure also your Bluetooth is turned on. So swipe down the control center, make sure Bluetooth is turned on for this to work. So here we can set the weight, the height, the units. So I'm going to choose units and tap on next. And here we can fill in the user profile details. So just fill it in. Now just fill it in and then tap on the save button, and now it will try to locate the scale. So I'm just going to tap on OK. And now trying to search for the scale, so we need to press on the scale for it to turn on. And that's it. So there's other options on the app that you can turn on, and there it is. So you can turn on all categories, allowed, and then there it is. And then you got home, report, train. And there it is. So that's the app, and the scale. When it is connected, we can then sync it. So you need to shake the phone. So to shake the phone to transfer any data to the scale and back and forth. Okay, to link the scale, I'm just going to tap on the menu button up here, then tap on My Devices, and tap on New Devices, and then we need to step onto the scale. So step onto the scale here, and then I'm just going to tap on this button here, and then we tap on link. So now it's linking between the two, and then tap on the done button, and now it's syncing data to the device. So I'm just going to tap on done, tap on done button, and then it says sync successful. And so there you have it. That's how you can set up your scale and your app. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.